from the right point, no one there. Could not get to the puck, it's kept in, shot, save made. And the Thunder get out of that jam. Right side to Ingaris, back to Gontus, he scores! Holds it on the line, Conroy down to Alex Young, over to the right side, scores! Gosselin, his second of the game. A power play goal gives Adirondack a 3-2 lead. Breakaway under a minute to go. Shoots, save, Tyler Brennan. The far side, 3 seconds to go. Back-to-back wins for Adirondack to start the 3-3.
I'm just gonna howl.